Consider you'll be joining us soon. A band of vipers playing our tune. With an iron fist and a reptile zest, we shall rule.
Alright, now this is a very simple custom. As you can see, there is Cobra stickers there. They're basically custom stickers. Same thing. You can store 2 figures in the canopy, the cockpit. There's a gun that can go up and down. Blades can rotate. So can these blades. Also, these missiles do not come off, sadly. The wheels, they can move. So it looks like. Name, I couldn't come up with anything for the name. So in the comments, if you'd like to put a name for this, that'd be cool. Yeah. So now that we're done with the crappy little review, let me get into where I got this vehicle or helicopter or attack helicopter from. I actually got this from a friend who got it at Toys R Us a long time ago, and he put stickers on it and all that fun stuff. And I've been really wanting one, and recently he did not want it anymore, so I was able to get it. It was very dusty too. So yeah, as you can see, really, really cool. I suggest that you get one. Now I'm going to be doing some scenes with it. Okay, so I'm currently right here with the helicopter. Now, this is a Seal 1 helicopter, as you can see. Yeah, there's it on some rocks. And somewhere there's actually a real helicopter. I hear it. So who knows? There it is in the jungle, I guess. Now, the reason it wasn't in my top 11 G.I. Joe vehicles is they're no longer making it. You know, I honestly hate when someone, makes a cool custom out of a vehicle and they say, oh yeah, they don't make it anymore. So that's why it wasn't in the list.